talking about you performing in other parts of the world outside of India. So, and this dance form comes from India, and we like the numbers show, and like there are Indian communities in all parts of the world. So my question is like, have you sensed a difference in the reception or their attitude or acceptance of the Indian community outside of India and within India? When you perform in the two places, do you sense any differences in the reception from the Indian community?
I feel like there's definitely a difference, A. And B, with times it has changed also. I did my first performance outside of India when I was probably 13, 14 something, and I think my first performance was London, outside of India. And at that time, even at that time in Britain, Kathak was not an alien art form. They knew what Kathak is and they were very appreciative of it. More respectable is what I had realized for the first time in my life, that they look at you as if you're a celebrity or you're something special, or you've you know how in India you treat like lawyers and MBAs from XLRIs and stuff. So that was a kind of treatment, and for a 13-year-old, that was a big eye opener. That my art form can be so very well appreciated, and people can look beyond what were you wearing and how many spins did you take and how fast do you dance. They could look beyond that. They could look at the literature, they could look at the spirituality, they could look at the training that Kathak requires. So my first experience was that. My second experience was Thailand, Bangkok, which again, I think a South Asian community, so they were appreciative, but again, they had a sense of classical art forms, very also similar, because they have similar mythology of Ram, you know, Rama and all of that.
Yeah.
But my biggest eye opener, I would say, was when I came to Canada for the first time. And just the scale of payment that people are willing to pay here in the Western world, especially, and I'm sure even you've experienced it, that the kind of I would say confidence, or I don't know what's the word to use here, but the kind of payment that you can charge people here, giving them you know, the best of the talent that you have, people will respectably accept it and say that, yeah, you know, you're the kind of tutoring you are giving is valuable and we would love to pay this much. Whereas in India, sometimes I feel there's this notion of, oh, if it's not you, we can go to a Bollywood class. Or if, not that Bollywood is not great, but it's two different art forms.
Yeah, right.
Or if it's not you, you know, why does classical have to charge so much? I mean, classical is supposed, you are taking the culture forward. It's your responsibility to take this forward. You should be teaching this for free. I feel in India, majority of population is kind of still a little bit in that mindset. Maybe not the younger generation who are more exposed to social media now. But that notion was very irksome growing up to be an artist. And especially when outside of India you go and people ask you that this seems to be like a very ancient art form and you've still preserved it and it still feels fresh.
Yeah.
It does not feel like you did the same thing for the last 2 hours. So I feel there's more receptivity, more positive receptivity that way out of India, where people don't have such an ancient culture or classical art forms in such abundance.
Right.
That way, I think somewhere in India we take our arts for granted.
Yeah, and like I can understand a bit, like, and I being a student of dance, and like when I came to United States, uh, so one of the things that I found out was like, so people from different parts of the country are coming here. Everybody is trying to further their cultural heritage, and everybody is trying to stay connected to the roots, and that's why I felt like people were more disciplined or like focused on that, and that actually opened up gates for me to get more awareness, which I did not have back home, which I did not know about. So and like you sharing your experience, and like so that is something that I can resonate with, and like if it's like, yeah, so thank you for that.
I mean, just the fact that we can feel a change, right? There's a vibe change that you feel when you say that you're a performer or a Kathak teacher or a Bharatanatyam teacher or a performing artist in India. And when you say that here, you can feel the vibe kind of being different in either places, and which I think I really appreciate.